Well, hello everyone. Thank you very much for being here. And I'm going to explain you a little bit what me and my team have been working in for the last days. So, when we heard about these challenges, we knew that we wanted to address the problem of congestion. And we were thinking a lot about how the different ways we could find to resolve this problem. And after a lot of research and a lot of thinking about it, we came out with the idea of using Wi-Fi. Because it's like, we'll see now that it's we really think it's the best option to foresee when congestion is going to have place. So we have done, here you have a prototype of what we want to do, which is, right now it's working with the Wi-Fi in the hotel. Basically, this is telling you how much people are connected right now. So, what we want to do basically is to apply this to the metro system. There's something very important that I want to say, that is that actually they don't need to be connected to the Wi-Fi. As long as they have their Wi-Fi turned on, even if their phone is in their pocket, we will be able to track them. And with machine learning, we will be able to prevent where the congestions are going to be. So, what I want to let clear is that we are not going to tell where there's going to be a congestion, but in the future we will be able to prevent, see that with time, so we can take decisions to prevent them. And also something that I want to say is that all the hardware is already there, so this would be a very cheap, the inversion would be minimum because all the tunnels are full with routers, so we wouldn't need to install anything at all. Okay, so now we know how we can foresee congestion, but that's a lot of data, and it's at the end of the day it's not going to help at all if we don't encourage people to take another decision. And that's why we want to add some features to your current app. A lot of people have this app right now, and I think we think that if we can make some tweaks with it and using our technology, it will be possible to make people take another decisions. First of all, in Metro Travel, in the first, where you can plan your route, we would like to, right now this is what you can do. As you can see, if you select a path, you can see it in the app. And what we want to do, basically, is showing alternative routes and showing in kind of what Google Maps is doing right now with cars. We would like to show how congested that path is going to be. So maybe just with a visual glance, you can think that maybe I can, the path I was thinking about is 10 minutes, but this one they are suggesting me, it's going to be 8, and maybe I have to change the train, but it's not that congested, so probably I will travel more comfortable, and maybe that can be a reason to take it. But still, if that's not enough, we will be offering points. We want to add this gamification part. So if you select the path we are suggesting, you will get some points. And now we're going to see what can you do with these points. Lucky Trip is a section in the app that we want to add, where you will be able to redeem these points for discounts, or as you can see here, companies will be able to have ads, and they will be able to show you discounts or other offers so you can redeem your points. You can also get metro tickets or audiobooks or other kind of features you will be able to offer. And there is another part, which is we would like to create a kind of a lottery that it's played not with numbers but with stations. So we want to give another reason to users. If we tell them, for example, you want to go from here to here, but if you take the route we are telling you, maybe you will travel through 5 new stations, and every month, so you play with the stations basically. And the more stations you visit, the more chances you have to win. So it's another reason for users to take alternative routes and not always the same ones. And and also you can unlock other stations with points. Our business model is, we really think that we can make a revenue out of the offers that sponsors can have where users can redeem their points. And also we think we were going to create a massive amount of data that we are sure that some other third parties will be able to buy. And also we think that we can save a lot of money because if we can foresee when congestion is going to happen, maybe you don't have to take another alternatives, and the metro can work as it should work normally. And also this is something else that we wanted to add, is that we also have thought of people without a phone. And if we had more budget, we would like to add a system of signs, and we would like to create a system to reward people if they go where the sign tells them. By already like loading their with a chip in their ticket, we would like to load free travels or whatever. If they go out to the station, we'll tell them to go out. And that's it. Well, we would like to say that the technology is already there, so if you can, we can start to use it right now. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them.
Thank you, Ignacio. So, questions, please.
So my question is, so you would like to give bonuses to people who use alternative, less congested route, as far as I understand. However, the question is how to track the user, because we don't have turnstiles inside metro, so you just enter through the gate once, and then you have to track passengers somewhere. So how do you track him? Using existing Wi-Fi routers, or how do you?
Yeah, we're going to use Wi-Fi routers. There are basically several ways to do that. I mean, you have it in the trains, but you have really time-controlled schedules. So when a train is going to be in a station, we know we can attach people to the Wi-Fi, and we know how many people will be there, and we know that at that time, the router that is in the train is going to be to that station. So we know that people are going up and down the train. So every time it goes to a station, we know that. And also, we have two ways to track them. One, if they're simply connected to the network, it's really easy because we see the hierarchies, their MAC address, and whatever. But the part in which we can connect even if you're not, we can track them even if they're not connected to the network, is the one in which we may be able to do that because basically every device does a proper request if it's not connected every amount of time. So we can passively track these kind of requests and know even if they're not connected that they're there. And we already contacted the router company, so we know that is feasible.
Thank you.
Just wanted to, I don't know if you have any, no, okay. Just to ask you, because I think the distances between metro stations are huge, so to convince a passenger to take a much longer route via points, you have to offer something very specific or very special, and probably this is also only for tourists, more for tourists than
we thought about all kind of users, because there can be a lot of kinds of rewards. Like they can be tickets, they can be audiobooks. I've seen that you already do like with ebooks. I mean, why not put in as a reward that? And so that is one part. But I think that most important part is the lottery, because that's something psychological. So if you have got the chance like to win, I don't know, 1 year of free tickets, I mean, everybody will do that probably. So that was our idea. Is targeted to all kind of users.
And any more questions? No. Thank you very much. That's a great presentation.